Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This is my 2717th edition of these educational videos that are geared to teach you the art of technical analysis, and I know that'll make you a much better trader. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, March 7th, 2024. Please remember the risks involved with trading. Never trade anything without putting your stops in. Put protective stops in first. Today, we traded crude oil. We had stops in. The trade went bad. The stops got hit. Crude went much higher and would have cost us a lot more money had we not had our risk management buy stop in first. So make sure you put your stops in first. Kids, I apologize about the crude trade today. We'll try to make up for it on Thursday. All right, so E-mini S&P is what you're looking at. This is the daily bar. And the OMNI, Oscar's Market Navigational Indicator, has mixed signals across U.S. indices, meaning some signals are pointing up, arrow up, some are pointing arrow down, some are pointing sideways across U.S. indices. That basically gives me a neutral. Nothing to do in U.S. indices. Watch them on Thursday and see what they want to do. Traders, we've had seven OMNI arrow flip-flops in 8 trading sessions. That means my OMNI said green OMNI, red OMNI, green OMNI, red OMNI, green OMNI, red OMNI, green OMNI in 7 days, 8 days in a row. Now we've got mixed signals, so tough timing for these last 7 to 10 days. The flip-flopping started about here. This absolutely means we are getting ready to vacate the area. What does that mean? Well, we've been trading, let's say, inside of this area for some time now. When the OMNI flip-flops, the way it flip-flops, that means that we are getting ready to probably do something like vacate the area. So that means we're going to start trading in a different area. Up here, maybe? Down here maybe, but we're getting ready to vacate this area. That's generally what happens after we see as many OMNI flip-flops as we've seen. I can tell you this, in all the years I've been running the OMNI, I've never actually seen it flip-flop this many times in this short amount of days. In other words, I've never seen the OMNI flip-flop 7 times in 8 trading sessions, not in my career. So obviously we're getting ready to move away from where we are now. So we're not going to take a trade most likely in E-mini S&P, NASDAQ or Russell for trading on Thursday. But there are other markets to look at, and a lot of them involve cryptocurrency lately. So let's go take a look at one of our favorites, Bitcoin. Now, you know we've got a projection of 85,000 in the next 2 years, 6 months. This started a while back. The projection's getting closer and closer. We are now just about approaching 70,000. Bitcoin has broken out of a pennant flag. We had a signal down here. I gave the signal out to traders in a video. The market did start to move higher. We had a second signal here. We gave that out. The market did move higher. We have just broken out of a pennant flag. And Bitcoin looks really strong here. But I want you to take a look at something else that's important to know about Bitcoin. They're at a double top. The last time we ever got this high back here, we came all the way down and finally took all this time. So this happened in November of 22, and it took all the way until now to get back up there. So that is a double top. Should Bitcoin fail at the double top? Traders, your questions, my questions, your answers have been fantastic. I've been loving it. In fact, tomorrow night I'm going to get out in front of the camera and we'll review some of your questions in the last 2 videos. This video has a question as well. Let me explain before you answer or even tell you about the question. So, double top in Bitcoin. The last time we got anywhere near this was a year before that, and that cost Bitcoin a lot of punishment. Then we got up here and put a high in, a lot of punishment. Now we're here again. We know that when we see a double top, we sell a double top, and that's very, very usual for us. Now, Bitcoin actually hit that double top on a daily bar. Let's go back there for just a moment. It actually hit that double top on the daily bar and backed off dramatically. Look at this bar. That big drop happened after you hit the double top. So a double top reaction has already taken place, at least one bar. We expected at least a reaction. So now we're going to go back here. Now we're on the same chart, but in a weekly. And now we're at the same spot. Should that reaction continue, and will we drop away as customary when you see a double top? Or will it go higher? Now, why would I question it? Because we know when we see a double top, we sell a double top. But when we got all the way to this top, last time we did this, Bitcoin made it that high, Wall Street was not involved. Wall Street got involved right around this circle when the ETFs got approved. Wall Street's been getting more involved ever since. Bitcoin's got way more money and interest in it now from professionals than it did when it got up here. So my question to you is, will this actually hold, or will it break through? If you don't mind, question answers usually are right at the bottom. My question is, A, will it pop out? Answer A at the bottom if you think it will it top out? So will the market top out here and fall apart? Or B, will it break through? What do you think will happen here? Remember, Wall Street was not involved last time it stalled up here. Now Wall Street's involved, and they're just warming up. I mean, it's like a rocket ship building steam and getting ready to go. So should it stop at this double top? You tell me what you think. Please answer A or B below, and then we'll go take a look at another cryptocurrency. So another one that's interesting out there is Ethereum. Ethereum running in sympathy with Bitcoin, looking smart, broke out of this channel, is now inside of something that could be this channel right here, much steeper, much smarter, with Wall Street getting involved. Don't forget, there is an actual futures market in Chicago on Ethereum and Bitcoin, the only two cryptos that exist with futures markets for Wall Street to play. And you've got both of them running higher, Ethereum running in sympathy with Bitcoin. But there's something else, and disclaimer, I own some of this. I've had it for a long time, and that is SOL. Traders, have you noticed SOL lately? Solana. It has been running up smartly all year. Nothing goes straight up. But what I like about it is above this previous high back here. Right, you had a high, got above it, challenge. One day took out the stops, back above it again. I like that. So I like buying dips in Solana. If you like Solana, maybe you should consider giving me a call or coming down to livewithoscar.com and we can discuss it. You know, I follow lots of currencies, lots of cryptocurrencies. I mine some crypto. I certainly have some crypto. And I pay attention to the charts all the time. So if you've got some crypto that you'd like to discuss, make sure you let me know. We'll talk about that more in the video tomorrow night. But if there's a crypto that you're looking at and you're not sure what to do with it, leave me a little note below this video and I'll see if I can help you out. Traders, that's about all I have for now. I've got an appointment. I've got to go somewhere with my wife, so I couldn't get in front of the camera tonight. You'll see me there tomorrow. Please have a very safe trading day on Thursday. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Make sure you like and share these videos. Put your stops in first. And I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.